In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify Student Premium not working. First, open the Spotify app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you've used different sign-in methods before, like a social login, double check you're on the account you actually use for premium. If someone else has used Spotify on your device, sign them out so you're not switching plans on the wrong profile. Next, go to the Premium tab, scroll down to Plans, and select the Student plan. This takes you to the dedicated student offer and prevents you from accidentally choosing another plan like Individual, Duo, or Family. If you're currently on a different premium tier, that's okay. You'll switch to Student once your status is verified. On the Student plan page, tap Next and look for the Not Sure If You're Eligible option. Review the requirements carefully. You must be currently enrolled at an accredited college or university. Availability can vary by country, and the discount typically lasts up to 4 years with annual re-verification. If you're not at an eligible institution or you've already used up your student years, the discount won't apply. Proceed with verification and enter your student details exactly as they appear on school records. Use the official name of your institution and make sure your personal information is accurate. You'll confirm your status through Sheer ID. If you're asked to upload documents, provide something that clearly shows your full name, your school's name, and a current term date, such as an enrollment letter or class schedule. Keep scans or photos clear and readable. If you're using a VPN, turn it off to avoid a country mismatch. If verification requires logging into your campus portal, confirm your student credentials are working. If needed, reset your school password and make sure your enrollment is active for the current term. If you're between terms, you may need to wait until your school updates your status. Now, check your payment details. In your account settings, confirm your payment method is valid and active. Update any expired cards, ensure your billing address and postal code are correct, and verify you have sufficient funds. Some prepaid or virtual cards may not work, and your payment country must match your Spotify country. Still not working? Visit the Spotify Help Center and submit a support request. Share what you've tried, any error messages, and that you're activating the student plan. If Sheer ID sent you a verification email or case number, include that. Common causes include ineligibility, expired or unverified student status, incorrect verification details, or payment issues. Once everything is verified and corrected, your Spotify Student Premium should work normally again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.